you look at the government system, you don't have to have an engineer to be minister. All the minister does is to coordinate. And already in the ministry, you already have departments where you have professionals. All you need at the top is somebody to coordinate. Since you already have an engineer heading the Department of Electrical Services in the ministry, and you also have an electrical engineer heading NEPA, which is supplying power. You don't need an engineer to head the ministry. Most people who want to head this place, they're looking at it for personal gain.
From your experience working with the Federal Minister of Health, will you tell us what is the role particularly of a minister?
The minister is a political head.
While you were in service, you headed quite a number of departments. Who would you say is better to head? Would it be somebody who has the technical know-how, or a person who has adequate leadership skills?
The person who has adequate leadership skills is better.